Hello friends, it's Merlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. Welcome back to our channel. If you are here looking for ways to have a functional kitchen, including preparing delicious meals for yourself and your family, I encourage you to please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on when we post new videos. Now, in this video, we'll be making this delicious mushroom gravy. Let's get started. So to begin, in a small saucepan, go ahead and add in your olive oil. Once your olive oil has heated through, go ahead and add in the shallot. Then add in the mushrooms. The full recipe is on our website at savorythoughts.com. Once you add in the mushroom, go ahead and give it a quick stir. Then add in the garlic. Continue stirring to combine. Once you are done, go ahead and add in the flour. Again, stir to combine and slowly add in your liquid. Continue to stir so that there are no lumps visible from the flour. Add in the remaining broth and continue to stir. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Then add in your herbs. Cover and bring to simmer. And you'll notice that your gravy has thickened. Remove the gravy from the heat, transfer it to a bowl, and serve. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video. The full recipe is on our website at savorythoughts.com. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as we post new videos weekly. Cheers!